we're going to take a look at the Magic Adhesive, the YCS Magic Adhesive. It's a formula that we make. Initially has good grab, so when you use this for any product of ours, whether it's the wall attachment tape or the wall curtain or holding up foam board or filling cracks, it's a pretty remarkable adhesive and sealant. It's a compound. It's called a hybrid compound, so it's water cured, moisture cured. So it doesn't matter whether the blocks are damp, and you don't want them really dirty, but they should stick pretty well to dirty block. If it's dirty to the point you're really concerned, you might want to take a broom and knock off the big dirt. But spider webs and those types of things work pretty well. It's got really good viscosity, so when you put it on a wall, it's very fast and easy. The gun doesn't keep bleeding adhesive out of the end, which a lot of adhesives will do. So if you were putting that's about the size bead you would want if you were going up a foundation wall. At that point, you would make a determination whether you wanted to use the wall attachment tape, which we've already looked at, but I'll show you how it works again. You basically would take the wall curtain or the wall attachment tape, push it in the bead, and that bead can go, as I said before, it can go 20 feet up a foundation wall or it can go 6 inches up the foundation wall. Now that's the immediate grab that the product has. You probably still want to let this cure a bit, but when you're putting out the wall curtain with this adhesive, by the time you get back around, you can tuck this into the corner and start taping your seams here. So it's pretty reliable product. You have to use it with our wall attachment tape and our wall curtain. Reasonably priced. You'll find lots of uses. It stays 25% flexible. Instead of some of the products are 40 or 50, this is 25, so it won't crack. You can apply it in water. So it's kind of unique. Call us and we'll give you some more information on the Magic Adhesive.